In this video, you will learn how to conditionally format a column chart by splitting the data into multiple groups and display columns of these groups in different colors. Columns from the same group will be displayed in same color. The Excel displayed on screen shows sales data. Sales revenue and sales targets for each year are displayed as columns. I will show you how to generate a chart like what you see on the screen, with sales revenue data split into 4 groups displayed in dark red, light green and dark green colors. First group of data shown in dark red color, which is encircled, shows sales revenue columns representing values that met only less than 90% of the sales target. Second group of data shown in red color, which is encircled, shows sales revenue columns representing values that do not meet sales target but achieved greater than or equal to 90% of sales target. Third group of data shown in light green color, which is encircled, shows sales revenue columns representing values that met sales target and achieved less than 110% sales target. Fourth group of data shown in dark green color, which is encircled, shows sales revenue columns representing values that met sales target and achieved greater than or equal to 110% of sales target. Let us now create the 4 groups from the sales revenue data. For that, I will insert columns here. I will insert total 4 columns. So here I have put 90%, 110%, and this is a formula: concat the text achieved less than the value of this 90% formatted. Similarly, target not met achieved greater than or equal to 90%. So target met achieved less than 110%. Target met achieved greater than or equal to 110%. So the heading takes value 110% from this cell. Similarly, here the percentage 90% is taken from cell C2. So let us construct the formula to segregate this sales data into these columns. So first formula, target not met achieved less than 90%. So formula, I will type if sales revenue. So I'll use key F4 to change the $B4 to fix the column B less than 90%. So 90% is this. I'll fix this using F4. 90% of sales target. Fix the column $G. If that is the case, print B4. Else print, you will use NA function to print #n/A. Because if you use blank space, then the chart will assume that as 0 value. If you use NA, the Excel chart will skip those data points. So that's why we are using NA. So now let us copy this formula down. So wherever it satisfies the if condition, it prints the value. Otherwise, it will print #n/A. Now let us copy this formula to create formula for the next group. So here I will use an AND also, because and B4 less than sales target. So B4 is greater than or equal to 90% of sales targets. So $C $2 star G4. So if that is the case, then print sales revenue, otherwise print NA. So I will close the bracket for and press enter. So now I will copy the formula. So now copy this formula, create formula for third group, that is target met achieved less than 100%. So if B4, that is the revenue, is greater than the sales target and revenue is less than, here 110% is at cell E2, less than 110% of the sales target, then print B4, otherwise print N. Now copy this formula. Now let us copy this formula, create the formula for the fourth group. Now here there is no change. So B4 is greater than or equal to 110% of sales targets. So that is only change. We'll copy the formula. See, we got formula for all the 4 groups. See, these columns, 4 columns are mutually exclusive. Only one cell will have value. So here 912. Here only one cell has value 1150. Similarly, here only one cell has value. So that is how we split the sales revenue into 4 groups. Now let us insert the chart. So I'll select the data from column C till column G. We'll click on insert. I'll click on column chart. So it created this. So sales target, I'll change to a line graph. Right click, change series type. It's a combo chart, sales target. I'll create a line chart. Change the color to. So target is plotted as a line. The remaining values are plotted as column chart. So let's click on this. So the first group data I have selected. So that is target not met, achieved less than 90%. So I will change that color of that fill color to dark red. Now I'll select the second data from second group. Target not met, achieved greater than equal to 90%. So I'll change the color to normal red. Now I will click on the third group data, that is target met, achieved less than 110%. Change the color to light green. I will click on the fourth group. Target met, achieved greater than or equal to 110%. I will change the color to dark green. So now I'll give a chart title. Now I'll give the x-axis value. I'll change. So select data, edit. I'll give the year here. So the year is plotted. Change it to bold. Increase the size. So now chart is plotted. So now we have to do one more thing. As these are, there is a lot of gaps in between because this is coming from 4 different columns. So I'll click on this any chart. I'll say format data series. So there is a series overlap here. So I will change it to 100%. So as to bring these bars close to each other, the gaps are equal. So gap width I can increase. So now the chart looks good. So the values which didn't meet sales target but less than 90% achieved showing in dark red, and where target not met but achieved more than 90% of sales target is normal red. Target met achieved but achieved less than 110% is shown in light green, and the fourth group target met but achieved sales target of more than 110%. So that is shown in dark green. So all the legends are here. So this is how we conditionally format the columns in a column chart. So suppose in 2012, now it is normal red. If I change the sales revenue here to 1100, so let us see how the value changes. So now it became dark green. So I will undo the changes. Or if I change, say 2022 here, it is light green. I will change it to 800. Now it became dark red. I'll undo the changes. So automatically the color changes and the value changes. Also, I can change the percentage here. So if I give 95%, see how the values change. You can change it to 80%. So the color changes. Here I can change it to 115%. So the color changes. So we can play around with these values. We'll change it back to 110% and 90%. So this is how we create a conditionally formatted chart. That's it for now. Thanks for watching this video. Please click on like button if you find the information I shared useful, and update comments. Also, please subscribe to my channel to get notified about new videos which I will post in future.